Hello guys, welcome to CAD Tutorial by Raki YouTube channel. In this video, I will solve the exercise number 16 using AutoCAD 2D drawing. All dimensions are millimeter. First, I will make it as circle dia 24 and radius 24. Let's go to the AutoCAD. Click on C. Shortcut is circle for C. Circle dia 24 and circle radius is 22. And I will make it as center line to circle. And I will make it a circle dia 24, circle radius 24, distance between 145. First I will make it as offset 145 and extend the line to extend and circle dia 24 and circle radius 24. Okay, and I will extend the center line. And this distance between the two circles is dia 72. If the radius is 40 and this dia is 12, dia 2 numbers, distance between 50. I will make it as offset for 72. This radius 40. Circle radius 40 and offset 25. The two circle dia is 12 mm. And I will make it as tangent line to this circle with radius as 25. First I will make it as radius, fillet radius, make it as 25. Click on circle this one to this one and again click on circle this one to this one. Carefully trim the unwanted material. And I will make it as tangent line this circle to this circle. Click on L, enter, hold on shift key, click on right click, select on tangent, click on outer body to circle and same repeat. Hold shift key, shift on right click, select on tangent, click on circle outer body. And this line as mirror it to left position. And I will trim as unwanted material. Okay, the drawing is fully completed. Make it as dimensions and make it as center line and color. The center line make it as center line and make it as green color, and I will match property to which one I will give center line. And this one color is I will make it as color 30 and I will match the color. And I will take it on dimensions. This radius 22, this dia is 24. This radius is 22. This dia is 24. This radius is 25. And this radius also 40. And this dia is 24 and this radius is 24 and this dia is 12 mm, two numbers two numbers, and I will make it as distance. Annotation linear, select upper end to lower end equals 145 and select these positions to this position, make it as 72 mm. Okay, the drawing is fully completed. Drawing is fully completed. Please like and share my video to get more information. Subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.